teammates are really far up anyway, they're like nearly at the Rocket Ridge.
Yeah, there's people at Rocket Ridge, go after them.
Okay. Tim, what you got?
I'll tell them the rest.
Yeah.
Oscar, come down here.
Yeah.
Look down there on 9, see if there's enemies.
Wait, what?
Go down there. Go on 9, see if there's enemies. You on 9 times?
No problem.
Go on 9, see if there's enemies. I'm guessing it is. It's right in the box on the right hand side. See him?
Can't see it.
Right MCK,
I see him. It's probably a friendly. We pushed up pretty far on the roof.
Yeah, that's friendly.
A friendly.
we got?
We got all the way up to Rocket Ridge. We just had when I last checked. But those are definitely enemies down there.
Enemies on top of the ridge. Enemies on top of the ridge. Look, Oscar, quick.
I'm not sure they are.
But you get a lucky shot, you maybe hit them.
I need to hide. I forgot that. Let's keep your eye past it. I'll see down.
Let's keep it left.